up giving birth to two evil creatures. They must
Wait for what?
Abomination! Abomination!
What happened? What have you done to the gods that made him punish you like this?
Hey! Abomination! Oh! I know. After sleeping with all the men in this kingdom. Why would she give birth to two creatures?
Yoro, come back. What did you just say now?
So you've not heard?
No, I heard what?
Why would you hear?
Hey.
Olumba, that woman.
Yes.
That sleeps with all the men in this kingdom. She gave birth to two creatures. Abomination.
Yoro.
Abomination. Abomination. Ah. Hey.
What was that all about?
A woman gave birth to two creatures and it's an abomination in this land.
Two creatures? What do you mean by two creatures? Two babies at the same time? That's a set of twins. Yes, it's two babies born at the same time, at the same moment, maybe 1 hour difference. That is a set of twins. Sometimes it could be three.
It's an abomination. It's an abomination.
Really?
Yes, so. Ha.
Where is her house? Do you know her house? Where?
I don't know where.
Please, you have to tell me. You could be saving someone's life. Do you know her house?
No.
Talk to me. You're my friend now.
I don't.
Please,
I can't go there. Go there. It's an abomination.
You know you're supposed to obey all my orders.
But
take me to her.
I don't know. I can't go.
No, let's go.
I heard you gave birth to two creatures. Is that true?
Is that the mother?
Yes.
This is the mother?
Yes.
Where are the babies? Hold it. Put my phone for me.
Where are you going to? Why did you do that?
What is wrong with you?
Abomination! Hey! What the abomination?
Who has angered the spirits?
The stranger. She has committed an abomination against the spirit of Ida.
Has she defied the prince?
Far from that. She touched the two creatures delivered off Olumba.
She should be dead by now.
She's still alive.
Impossible. Maybe she will live for a moment. But surely she'll be dead before sunrise tomorrow. You shall die for touching those evil creatures before sunset tomorrow.
So you are the one deceiving all these people. What is wrong with you? Why can't you tell them the simple truth?
Okay. You have come to deceive my people. No, I will not allow it. I will not! The spirit of Iban kingdom will kill you!
Are you going to kill me? Don't worry about that. Okay, let's wait for it then.
Okay. Let me go and bring the warriors of Iban kingdom to come and take all of you to evil forest. You're crying.
Stop crying. Nothing will happen to them, okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Let me ask you, have you noticed any strange thing going on between my son, the prince, and that spirit girl?
My king, I have not seen nor noticed any strange thing amongst them. All I know is that they are good friends.
Now listen, if you noticed anything, be the first to tell me. Do you hear me?
I've heard you, my king.
Leave my presence. I did not remember inviting you to my palace. So what are you doing here? Speak!
The toad does not run out in the daytime for nothing. It's either the toad is pursuing something or something is pursuing the toad.
You know I do not appreciate proverbs when my itching ears await answers. Speak now!
Your strange visitor has joined the daughter of Eban in committing abomination.
What has she done again?
A woman was delivered of 2 evil creatures and carries them.
No! How?
She shall die before the sun rises tomorrow.
Oh no.
Take care. Stop crying. You have to feed your kids.
Udo, she's still alive. She lives. She's supposed to be dead. This is strange. Udo, though I've witnessed so many bloodsheds in battle, but not this. I, Zulu, the second warrior of Iban, cannot behold this. No.
All I wish is for the spirit of my ancestors
To pardon her in the world beyond.
Is my son now pleading for a total stranger that touched the evil creature? Is that what they're doing?
Father, that stranger saved my life. When the spirit almost took it, I owe her a lot.
No. I, your father, prayed to our ancestors, and they pleaded on your behalf and sent the stranger that hid you. But she crossed her bounds by touching the evil creatures.
Well,
I feel for her. I'm already getting used to her.
No, son. You better watch your steps. Do you know what I said? Leave my presence. Now. Leave my presence immediately. What rubbish.
Oh, why? Why does she have to touch those creatures? I was enjoying her stay around me. Now the gods are planning to take her life from me.
She should die. Yes. Don't tell me that the tradition of this land is not of importance to you.
When did you start stepping into my privacy?
When you started lusting after the stranger.
What has she done to you? No. Why do you hate her so much?
Everything. Especially trying to take the chances of me being the next queen of this kingdom.
Is that all that matters to you?
You are the next king of this kingdom and I'm betrothed to you.
Udu. Zulu told me everything that happened at the Lumba's compound.
The royal household is up to something. The spirit shall tell me soon.
Does it have anything to do with the stranger?
Everything. Everything. Make sure the warriors are intact and their warfare. We might need them soon.
I, Yakubo, am ready to defend the Idom kingdom with my life, not minding who is seated on the throne.
Good to know we have a young warrior who have the interests of Eban kingdom at heart. Make sure you see me before the sun sets. We must not allow that evil stranger to destroy this kingdom. All they know is that she is spiritual.
I still don't understand. How do you guys name a beautiful twin? Evil creature.
Twins.
Twins.
What is twins?
Okay, twins is two babies delivered of the same mother at the same time, just like Olumba did. That is called twins. Dumb head. Oh God, I can't even imagine.
Twins. Okay. Dumb head. Dumb head. Head. Dumb. Twins. Dumb head.
Dumb head.
What is the dumb head?
Oh God. Okay. The dumb head is somebody just like you. A prince, a fine prince with a big head, like a nice head. Just your crown on your head, your crown on your head. That is a dumb head. That is what it is.
Dumb head.
Yes, you're a dumb head.
So, I'm a dumb head. Dumb head prince. Dumb head prince.
Exactly.
Okay. So, may you never cease to exist.
No.
I thank the spirits for bringing you here.
No, stop. I'm a normal human being just the way you are. You shouldn't bow to me. It's only God in heaven you bow to. That's all. I'm just human being the way you are.
God in where?
In heaven. In heaven.
Heaven.
Yes.
Oh, he lives on a tree.
No! In heaven. Anyways, I will enlighten you on that much later, okay?
Okay. So, what is this you're always holding?
Oh, okay. This is an iPhone. iPhone.
iPhone.
Yes, that's what it is. iPhone. No. iPhone. iPhone. That's what it's called. Say iPhone. No, it's not your eyes. iPhone.
Phone.
It will take so much time to get this in your head, so let's forget about it, okay?
In as much as I wonder what or whom you really are, I appreciate you for making me to see the birth of two babies come out from the same womb as a good thing. Please feel free. Make this place your home.
I am honored to be accepted by your people, especially the royal home. But please, can I ask you for a favor?
If it's within my power, I will grant it. So speak.
Thank you. I have a family and friends out there looking for me. By now they'll be thinking that I'm dead somewhere. I need to go back to them. So I will save them the heartache of thinking that maybe I'm dead. Please.
You see, you are not a prisoner here. You can go home. But before that, take a day or two, look around my kingdom, and afterwards, I will send some persons to take you back to the riverbank. That's how far we can go.
Okay. Thank you, King Zuko. Thank you.
It's been there for ages.
Warriors of Iban!
We fight to defeat our enemies!
Warriors of Iban!
We fight with our last blood!
Warriors of Iban!
We fight to death!
Spread out. As warriors of Iban, when you get to the battlefield, you need to put your eyes on the target. Stay focused. Your enemies are your biggest targets. You must fight as warriors of Iban. Be agile. Am I clear? Watch your enemies. You don't just run with guy.
Look over there. This is crazy. What are they doing?
Carefully. Have your back. Have your target. Passion, love,
Oh my God, I like.
Come follow me, come follow me, you to my care. Come follow me, you to my care. Come follow me, you to my care.
You with me?
Chuba wakafu kaka. Hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, kumaya. Hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, kumaya. The princess back
Now watch
to
me.
life.
When you get to the battlefield, and you notice your enemy behind me. You do not turn like a common man. Now watch me and do as I do. Now we go!
All they know is that she is spiritual.
Stop!
All they know is that she is spiritual.
You are a warrior of Iban. And as a warrior of Iban, you need to be strong. Now give me! Do what I did!
She wants to live where she did not sow.
Oh, that's better. Give me a 360.
She must live.
That's better. Give me a 360. That was bad. Give me a 360.
She must live.
Give me a 360.
We cannot
That's what we do. Go down,
what kind of a
up,
human being is
down. Gain the balance.
evil creatures? She's touched with a bare hand.
You are warriors.
She
You're agile. You're strong men. The gods have blessed you with energy and power. You are warriors of Iban. And as warriors, you must act like warriors. Go down and up. You fight to kill. You fight to defeat the enemy. You are warriors. Fight to death.
what she does is for the good of the kingdom.
I love you.
Yes. Agua, where's my food? Agua, where's my food?
So that go inside and get yourself something doing. Sama! Okay, don't worry, I'll give you the food. Please now. I'll give you the food. Sama! Hey! Aguma!
I watch SCC like a mouse being chased by a cat.
Sama fell again.
Sama! Yaka, Zulu, come with me. The rest of you stay back. Let's go. Stand up. Let's go.
Is she from the gods? She's strange. Can she bring the prince back? Ooh ya cuckoo, hey yumma, hey yumma, hey yumma.
Someone.
Yoko, the great gods of Iban Kingdom. Yoko, the great gods of Iban Kingdom. Yoko, the great gods of Iban Kingdom. For it is said, if thy son is faithful to thy gods listen to thy son. I call upon thee today, listen to me, gods of Iban Kingdom. Send thy healing power upon your son Sama. Oh gods of Iban Kingdom, you are the lion of this kingdom, and a lion cannot beget a goat. And as a god, I am a god on my own. I call upon thy healing power. Send thy healing power upon thy son Sama. Send thy healing power upon thy son Sama. Oh great gods of Iban Kingdom, send thy healing power upon thy son Sama. Send thy healing power.
Stop! What are you doing? This is too much.
Gratitude.
He's just an asthmatic patient. He doesn't need all this smoke and those are worsening the situation.
Are you saying that this has nothing to do with any evil?
No! Oh, God. This has nothing to do with any spirits or... It's... It's cold and for asthmatic patients.
Zulu, go and get me Yaka from Udu's shrine. Tell him to meet up with me immediately.
I will do that, Akubo. I think he should be on his... I will do that.
Thank you for saving my little brother's child. You are indeed a good spirit.
I'm just a used copy and medical
Equipment?
Yes.
What do you mean by equipment?
You all stunts, but you don't know what I'm saying.
I'm sorry if that offends you.
You don't have to bow to me.
Okay.
Let's take a quick picture.
How did I get in there? Is that my spirit?
It's just a picture. It's just a picture. Oh God, we need to learn a lot. Just come in.
Our spirit is in there.
No, it's a picture.
That's our spirit.
No.
Zulu, that's me in there.
That is you. That
Zulu.
is you. See you.
That's my chi. That's
Zulu.
That is you. It's not your spirit. God.
Wait. Just hold on. Yala, watch for me. Am I there?
No, you're not here.
No. I'm not there.
You're in the...
It is a picture. Picture.
Okay.
It's a picture.
Okay.
Please.
Say hi. Say cheese.
Cheese.
So I'm actually inside this thing now.
You are in here.
Zulu, I can see you.
Yes.
Huh? I can see you in there.
It's me.
Oh.
The great warrior of Iban. Please, when next? How can I see myself inside there? At least I need to have a little chat with him.
Can we actually travel from here?
Oh my God.
God has blessed us.
Thank you.
You're filled with mystery. We are baffled.
It's a picture.
Let's go.
Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo, kumaya. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo, kumaya. Udiwo loko kuma. Hey, wina koko yambolo. Hukuma senta la kufala. Etikiwe ambalo koko. Hayuku makeyeka. Iyanko luku mazalebo. Uganda. Here come Lukumi, Hisha, Hisha. Here come Lukumi, Wala kibu food and bala kofo. Come follow me, come follow me, Yuntulu Makeya. Come follow me, Yuntulu Makeya. Come follow me, Yuntulu Makeya. Chuba Mokofu Kaka. Hello Kuku, hello Kuku, hello Kuku Kumaya. Hello Kuku, hello Kuku, hello Kuku Kumaya. The prince is back to life. He's straight to everyone. They know nothing about her. All they know is that she is spiritual. She's a straight being. Yeah. All they know is that she is spiritual. No one can understand her kind of lifestyle. Who is she? We cannot accept her here. She wants to real.
You sell one carry for me. No sorry. Thank you. Thank you.
Just take a good look. Are you sure you can carry me?
I'll prove to you that I love you and I can carry you.
Yeah, no.
No mistake.
Carry me, let me.
I'll do anything for you.
The next day you will see me with your slim body because you strike me. Go, you want to kill me.
Someone wants to rule the kingdom, not knowing she has a good heart. What she does is for the good of the kingdom. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo.
What are you doing? I can't take this. I can't take this. Oh.
Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo.
Wait. Why were you running? Why?
Why won't I run? That was such an embarrassing moment. What is all this? When will you guys understand that I'm just a medical doctor? The first time I just gave the prince a malaria drug and you guys were celebrating, jubilating, everybody was shouting, bowing to me. No, I just gave her an inhaler. And everybody's, look at, everybody was, where I come from, it's called doctor. They don't worship doctors.
We don't know it here. And with all the magic you've done, it's enough for them to worship you as a spirit. Me, sometimes I feel like bowing to you too, but I'm afraid of what you do to me.
Even you too. After all, everything I've been teaching and showing you.
I'm so sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Please, I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
It's fine.
I'm sorry.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of Iban Kingdom.
Greetings to you, Akubo, the bravest and finest of them all. I heard that you slaughtered the lion with just your bare hands. You killed thousands of men, all by yourself. But what have this kingdom done for you? Nothing. I want to make you an offer.
And what offer is that?
I want to make you the next king of this kingdom.
And how do you intend to achieve that?
Don't underestimate the power of a woman.
She's magical. She's spiritual. Oh, who can describe her? Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo, Maya. Hello, cuckoo. Hello, cuckoo.
Look at her! Witch! Think I'm going to bow down to you like the rest of the villagers that you have bewitched?
I don't need you to bow to me. I know what you want. You want me to notice you. Well, I won't notice you. You know the people I will notice? Of course you won't know them. Beyonce, Rihanna, Cardi B, you won't know them. So I don't notice people like you. I know you think I have something to do with your prince. Well, I don't have anything to do with your prince.
You think I don't know? Oh, let me tell you. The rest of the villagers know how you follow him everywhere. You better remove that spell you cast on him. He is my husband to be and the future king of this kingdom.
I'm going. Tomorrow, I wish I can go tomorrow. I wish I can go now. I do not belong here. I don't want to be part of you people.
Better start going. Thank you.
I will.
Yes.
I'll leave.
Go. Thank you.
Leave. Let's go. What does she think she is? What does she think she is? Look at that.
Etak mue majina vede bodon de beget se de gam orone kwe jana lo pete se bom ore kaka ko kala morbe bandits ore kala ko magrege bandits ore na makom we ke we left Your visits to Udu's shrine means you have not been caught by the stranger's magic.
No magic is going to stop me from becoming the next queen of this kingdom.
Your man has been taken away from you. It's left for you to decide whether to have Prince Issa as your husband or retain your position as the future queen of this kingdom.
I do not care about Prince Issa, but it seems to be the only way to the throne.
What if I fail you? That is only Akubo that can make your dreams come true.
Udu, I hope all is well. I was very busy when your follower came to call me.
How can all be well when the spirit of our forefathers has departed the household of King Zo?
What?
You are the next king of this kingdom, and we will perform your task for the spirits to strengthen their trust on you.
Udu, tell me what needs to be done and consider it good as done.
Then you shall be.
This too is Snapchat.
What is this one?
It's Snapchat where you get to use some filters that make you beautiful.
Snapchat.
But this will take years to fix.
Eh?
Where I come from, there are so many beautiful things. I would like to take you there one day. If I'm able to leave this What is going on? Is there any...
Quiet.
Please.
Don't move.
What is the problem?
Hurry up, hurry up. Hey!
What is?
Come on, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
My prince. Greetings, my prince. That which holds the royal home and the people of this kingdom has happened.
What? Are we under attack?
No, my prince. What I heard, the stranger and the maiden assigned to her has been kidnapped. Well, I have my lead already. I was just waiting for your order before I make my movements.
Don't worry, I'm going with you.
No, my prince. I only wanted you to be aware. I'll handle this.
It's an order. I forbid you from objecting.
Yes, my prince.
Let me get my sword. There's no trace of them.
I think we should move further.
Here comes the end of your journey. If you move, I will cut you.
You better obey instructions. Except you want to die quick and in a very horrible manner. Now move it.
Akobo, what's the meaning of this?
I said move it.
What is the meaning of this?
Move it!
You are going to regret this.
Move it.
Move it.
Why are you? Come and sit down. Sit down.
What is going on here?
I say sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Are you there? Thank you.
What is going on here?
Will you keep quiet? You will die slowly in peace. You are supposed to be the heir to the throne. But
Akobo here have proven to be a better king than you and your weak family. You are better off dead.
You have to use your magical powers to save us. I don't want to die in the hands of these traitors.
Are you seeing this right now? Maybe this situation will reveal to you that I'm just a normal human being like you.
Akobo and I will rule this kingdom and my dream will come true.
and I will own half of a band kingdom.
Udo, all promises will be kept.
Kill them slowly.
Hey! Not so fast. Udo would not do anything that would bring a curse upon him and his entire generation, all in the name of becoming king. Untie them.
Forgive me, my prince.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Their hands are not tied.
When Akubo told me about your plan of betrayal, I thought he was joking. Now, reality has proven itself. Move them to the palace now.
Move it! Move it!
I'm so glad that good men like Akubo and his men still exist in this kingdom. Udu and this one. You try to kill me and also kill my only son to take off my throne. Akubo, you know what to do.
As it pleases your highness. Yaka, bundle them away.
You've been acting strange. Is everything alright? Why are you quiet?
Why won't I be quiet? What do you want me to tell you?
I wanted to confirm Akubo's story.
By putting my life in danger. Do you know what I went through? Do you know the trauma I went through? Why in God's name would you do that? Why would you do that? He's such an asshole.
I am a dumb head. And now, I'm an asshole. What is asshole?
Asshole. Okay. Asshole. You are the prince, and very soon you'll be the king. So asshole means a prince that has the whole village, the whole palace, all to himself, and a hood inside the palace. Inside the palace. That's an asshole. You have everything and the whole included. You're an asshole.
Okay. Dumb head.
Asshole.
Asshole.
Inside the palace. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's what it means.
I love you. Yes.
Wait, guys, are you sure this is the right place?
Yes, now, this is where the taxi man told us to go now.
I can't continue this. I'm tired. See, guys, I think I can track the signal in that iPhone. And the only way to do that now is to follow this canoe to the other side of the lake.
I can't go with you guys. You can continue from here.
How do you want me to enter this canoe? Do you want me to lost in that river? And you're telling me to follow you?
Guys, let's go. Let's go. That's it. Wow. I feel by lost in this river now. Careful.
Stop.
Zara!
Hey! Don't run. Eh? Yes, excuse me.
Please.
Yes, you.
Sorry, we're looking for our sister. Her name is Zara. I don't know if you've seen her.
Yes, she's fair. She looks like us. Oh, the spirit girl.
Yes, exactly. The spirit girl.
Come on. Fight like a warrior. Fight like a warrior. Fight! Be strong. Fight like a warrior. Fight! You're getting it. Yeah. Fight like a warrior. You fight like a warrior. You're doing it. Fight like a warrior. No, we are under attack.
Zara! Zara.
How did you guys get here?
She's the one.
Oh my god, how did you guys get here?
You're
Oh my god!
Zara, what have you done to you? Are you now some kind of god or what?
No, it's a long story. Jesus, how did you make it here?
What's people?
They're my friends. They're my friends. They're youth club members. That's what they are.
Yeah.
Please,
My name is Joshua. I'm Mike.
Let's all proceed to the palace at once.
Yes.
Move.
Come on.
Okay, fine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's my friend.
I'm Joshua. Nice to meet you.
They won't understand that. Yes, they don't understand anything.
Move.
My people, I am happy to be alive to witness a day like this. And I'm sure history will never forget your visit in a hurry. Though, Father, Zara promised to visit us with time.
Oh, yes.
Thank you very much once again. Thank you so much, Zara, for saving my life. May the gods of our land lead you all safe back to your destination.
Amen.
So my warriors here will lead you all to the riverbank and have a safe one. Thank you once again, and we will expect to see you all next time.
Fuego!
Hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, kumaya. Hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, kumaya. Udiwo loko kuma, hey, wina koko yambolo. Hukuma senta la kufala, etikiwe amalo koko. Hayukuma keyeka, iyakalukuma zale bolawa. Hey makalu, vimaleke bayakuna la. Tubala koyo kulava, heleke buyu da 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 da. Iyakalukumi, hisha hisha. Iyakalukumi, wala kibu food ambala kofo. Come follow me, come follow me, Yuntulu Makeya. Come follow me, Yuntulu Makeya. Come follow me, Yuntulu Makeya. Juba Mokofu Kaka. Hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, kumaya. Hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, hello cuckoo, kumaya. The princess back to life. It's straight to everyone. They know nothing about her. All they know is that she is spiritual. She's a straight being. Yeah. All they know is that she is spiritual. No one can understand her kind of lifestyle. Who is she? We cannot accept her here. She wants to reap where she did not sow. Hey, she must leave us. Heavy, 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 heavy. Oh, she must leave us. We do not understand. We cannot fathom. What kind of a human being is this? Even evil creatures, she taught them with her bare hands. Oh, she must leave her. Hey ya kaka, ukulumia. Yeah, she must leave her. The wickedness has taken place. Now someone wants to rule the kingdom, not knowing she has a good heart.